What's going on, YouTube fam? Today I'm going to show you guys a quick look at the Travis Scott Jordan 6. Before I get into the video and go over the shoes and all that stuff, if you are new to my channel, first time seeing one of my videos, take a quick second, hit that subscribe button, head to my YouTube channel, check out some of my other videos, some of my other material. If you're on Instagram and Twitter, give me a follow at IMTMCII. And here you guys go, man. We could jump right into the review. So I know I'm kind of late with the review. I've been trying to get it out, but just getting around to getting some time to get the video out to you guys. I know you guys probably seen videos and reviews because these been out for maybe a week or so already. But I like adding the content to my channel. So if you wanted to check it out, go ahead and check out this video. And you know, this is just for my subscribers who've been asking where's the video, because I've been posting some pics on Instagram and stuff like that since I got them, but like I said, I just hadn't had the time to get around to actually shooting the video for you guys. So this is the 6. We had the Jordan 4, I think he had the 33, and the Jordan 1 high top and a low top, and this is the last installment of it right here. So just kind of go over some of the details and some of the material on here for you guys. I think these are executed amazing, just like the other one. Of all the Travis Scott shoes that he have with Jordan, like on the retro models, I wouldn't count the 33. I think these would probably fall at the bottom to me. I still like the 1s and I like the 4s a lot more than I like these. These are still dope, don't get me wrong. I just like the 1s and the 4s a little bit better. Won't go into too much detail of the shoe. I know you guys seen tons and tons of reviews of them already, just trying to give you guys good up close looks of the shoe. Now I did post, I had a buddy of mine, he sent me some pictures of, you know, they have fakes already out there. So you guys, if you're buying these secondhand from somebody, you guys really be careful and be aware when you're buying these. And you could probably use this video if you want to compare a legit pair to you know, some of the secondhand pairs, you know, just kind of give you guys something to reference it. But it's really scary for how close the fakes have gotten. Just a fun fact about the Jordan 6, for those who don't know, you know, when Tinker designed these, he kind of put a 2 and a 3 right here. So a lot of guys, people really don't know that about the Jordan 6. He tried to incorporate MJ's number on the shoe, but that's something just a little fun fact for you guys. You see that they have different lace locks. Have a Jumpman on here, and they have Cactus Jack written on the other one. And they came with 3 sets of laces, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. I'm not sure which set of laces I want to keep in the shoe either. Drop me a comment down at the bottom. Let me know what you guys think, what laces look the best. I showed you guys the little pocket with the Cactus Jack face, and I unbutton this because there's Cactus Jack written behind there as well. And so here's the outsole, and these do glow in the dark. I hadn't charged them up or did any cool features to show you a glow in the dark photo, but these do glow in the dark. I'm sure you guys seen that. But all in all, this is the shoe, guys. I think, like I said, I think it's really dope shoe. But of all the retro J's that he's did a collab with, he's probably at the bottom for me. Just because I like 1s and 4s a little bit better than I do when it comes to 6s. Let me see what's in the insole. A Nike Air and the insole. And I'm gonna show you guys the box now. Show you the other laces too. So they came with these kind of olive color end, and you have like this dark gray, slate gray, and this yellow color. And they get the regular bags, no Nike Air, nothing written on the bags. Got Cactus Jack on the box. Here's the all the information, colorway, and all that stuff. We didn't get the Cactus Jack tissue like we got with the 1s, but this is the box. Show you guys this. And like I said, I'm sure you guys seen a lot of this, and like I said, I'm just running a little late. We're getting a video out to you guys, but just wanted to put this out on my channel. So here's the shoe. I'm gonna take them off here, and I'm gonna go ahead and toss them on feet and show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, here's an on feet look of the Travis Scott Jordan 6s. Just want to show you guys what they look like really quick on feet. Far as sizing wise on 6s, I would say you could go down a half size in 6s if you want a really snug, tight fit. If you want a little bit of room, if you have wide feet, you could go true to size, and I think you'll be okay. But I think if you want that really tight, snug fit, you could go down to half size, and I think you'll be perfect if you do that. When it comes to comfort on the Jordan 6, it's not the most comfortable silhouette or model out the Jordan line to me. I think you feel a lot of the ground when you're walking on them, and they're not the most comfortable shoe. Like on a scale of 1 to 5 as far as comfort, these are probably like a 3. Yeah, probably like a 3. I wouldn't give it anything higher than a 3. But here you guys go. Just want to show you what they look like. As I said, I'm not sure what color laces I'm gonna go with. I know I'm not gonna rock the olive pair that came with it, so it's either gonna be this yellow pair or it's gonna be the dark gray pair. So drop a comment down at the bottom. Let me know what you guys think, what color laces I should rock in these. But here you go, man. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Check out some of my other videos, all that other good stuff on my material, on my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.